In this video, we will create a robot that loops through our employee Excel file and based on phone number area codes returns a list of matching employees. We will build upon the robot we created in the previous video and start with modifying the employee type. Phone number is no longer required, but area codes are, so we add it. Our employee variable is now missing a mandatory value, so we update its defaults. We remove the old find phone number step and replace it with the new action step loop in Excel. This step can be configured to loop over Excel sheets, columns, rows or cells. We select rows and excludes the first since it contains our column headers. The loop range can then be named and set to the phone number column as finder. By clicking the arrows on the loop step, we can test it, and we then extract its contents to the employee phone number variable. To check the area code, we insert a test value step. It can be configured in many different ways, but let's use the powerful converters option. We start by retrieving the contents of the phone number variable and then add an advanced extract condition. By using a pattern, we can define and extract the 3-digit area code from the phone number. Output expression makes it possible for us to verify if the input area codes variable contains the currently extracted area code by the pattern. If not, we use error handling to skip the employee data extraction by jumping to the next iteration of the loop rows step. In debug mode, we can see that the robot found an employee by the default area codes. By entering a few other area codes, the robot generates a resulting employee list.